Luna became today almost worthless. It's absolutely insane, and obviously it's not getting better for my Luna holdings. I was thinking we are rebouncing at some point, but it's only getting worse and worse. So yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in again here to AMCrypto. And I definitely want to talk about again what's happening here with Luna and also with the Bitcoin price, because there we have also broken really crucial support. So, and if you think that is interesting, then definitely stick around and leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So let's directly dive in here. So here on the daily chart on Luna, we have yesterday seen that we've broken here this crucial support, sorry, 2 days ago actually. So, and from there onwards, Luna just kept dumping and dumping because of the depegging from the stablecoin pair UST. So and now you can see this is just insane. When you look at this, from where it started to break down from $56, it's now almost 100% in a loss. So yeah, it's just crazy. So yesterday I was already almost 2 million in a loss. Now it's I did not check, so it's I think 3 million, you know. So yeah, it's just crazy. So I don't believe that this gets anytime better soon. So I saw friends of mine like Carl and Da Vinci buying actually, and also the Martini guy Jordan buying Luna around $1 and $2. So they are now again 100% in a loss from that also. Yeah, it's just crazy. So but let's have also a look here on Bitcoin. If you guys remember yesterday, I had warned you that we could see a move down here to the 2.618 Fibonacci retracement level at $28,300, and that is exactly where the price went down to, and actually even lower, all the way to $25,000. We have seen these prices for almost a year, not anymore, or even longer than that. So, and from there we got a bounce back to the upside to the 2.618 level right now, but we have to close a 4-hourly candle above that level and also a daily candle to yeah, get here at least a little bit more neutral again, because guys, we should not close our eyes what is in front of us, you know. So and yeah, we have to admit, so this looks like bear market right now. So especially if we had here lower, so there's a lot of volume coming in to support here this massive downwards move. So and if here is not massive buy volume coming in to push the price here higher again in direction of $30,000, then we should be prepared for a multi-month at least bear market. So and if we lose the 2.618, the next level that we have to watch is all the way down here, the 3.618 at $22,692. But there I definitely expect a massive bounce back to the upside, and then we will most likely ranging between $23,000 and $30,000 for quite a while over the next couple of months before we see here any significant move again to the upside. So when also here, when we are looking here at the lows that were always tested here at on the support, so this support is now broken. So and when then you see it already, you know. So when we look here on this daily time frame and we draw here a horizontal line, the next bigger support is here at $20,000 at the last all-time high. So and obviously we don't want to see Bitcoin going all the way down there. So especially when we see also volume coming in to support further downwards. So but nonetheless, guys, we should also not forget that in 2018 were actually people setting up to become millionaires last year. So and this is here a new opportunity actually. If we go here in a bear market, you should accumulate as much as you can. That's also what I'm doing. So and if you don't know where to buy and sell cryptos, then you can go for example to a BYBIT. There you can also leverage trade. You get $4,050 as a bonus if you use my link, also zero maker fees for using my specific link here for a BYBIT, guys. So and there you can buy and sell also altcoins. So I'm loading up right now and corridors averaging into altcoin positions for that moment when we are returning into a massive bull market and seeing here massive price explosions, as we have seen this also in the past, guys. So yeah, there is right now not much more to say. So yeah, just accumulate as much as you can at these levels. We don't know how long we're going to stay in these levels. There is something else that I wanted to show you before I let you go, guys. So, and that is here on the weekly chart. There's only one last hope, and that is here the stochastic RSI on the weekly chart, because we have hit the bottom here. So we are heavily oversold in here on the stochastic RSI. So we could see next week this bounce here back to the upside, which would then also obviously result in a pushback to the upside in all of cryptos. So that is something that I'm banking on, but that's really like the last straw. If that is not panning out, then we have a multi-month bear market. Also here the EMA ribbon flipped already. So if that price action is not coming back in the next 3-4 weeks here above the ribbon, then that's it, guys. Then we have bear market. Then we have to go back, eat raviolis, and fill out applications for McDonald's. Guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, there will be tonight a German live stream at 8 p.m. German time. The link will be posted in the Telegram channel. I will also post it on Twitter. So if you're German, you want to join this live stream, you are more than welcome. Unfortunately, it's not in English. So there will be a bunch of other crypto YouTubers, and we will talk about what's happening here in the market. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching again, and thank you so much for yesterday's video. You were amazing. Please don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.